In this video, I will show you how to browse the internet on your Samsung Smart TV. Now, first things first, in order for you to browse the internet, you want to make sure that your Samsung Smart TV is actually connected to the internet. Now, once this is done, you want to go ahead and open up the default Samsung Smart TV browser, which is basically this app over here labeled Internet. So, using your remote control, you just want to scroll over to the app over here that is called Internet, which is basically this app over here. Now, if you have more apps, you might actually have to scroll over towards the end of this list of apps to get to the internet app, because it is usually among the last. If you do not find the default internet browser app over here, you can just go over to where you have apps that contains all of the list of apps on your Samsung Smart TV, and you should be able to find it over here. Now, once you get to the app, you can literally see that at the top there are actually recommendations of most of the popular websites you might actually want to visit. For instance, there is the Google, there is the Facebook, and other popular websites that you might actually want to visit directly from here. And here are the few things you actually want to note. This particular browser does not allow you to download files from the internet just as you would on other popular browsers like the Google Chrome, the Firefox, or the Edge browser. So you cannot download files, music, or even documents from the internet, but it gives you almost all of the features you will find on a normal browser, including private browsing. Now, once you open up the browser directly from here, it automatically loads, and if you're actually connected to the internet, you'll be taken to this home screen that contains most of your featured websites on the page. Now, what you just want to do is to go ahead and select the particular website you actually want to visit over here from this list of featured websites, or you can actually just come over to the top search bar over here and then just go ahead and type whatever websites you actually want to visit inside of this image field using the virtual keyboard over here. Now, like I have said before, this particular browser also gives you other interesting features. For instance, you can go ahead and zoom in and zoom out inside of the browser, because this is a TV. This feature is actually very necessary. You can also do other things like the private browsing. So if I come over to the top using my cursor over here, you can literally see the private browsing that allows you to browse through the internet without your information being saved on the browser. It also has other interesting feature. For instance, if you scroll over here, there is actually the menu, and from here you should be able to see other features of the browser, and even the desktop mode feature that allows you to visit websites on desktop mode from your Samsung Smart TV. So basically, that is how to browse the internet on your Samsung Smart TV. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.